In this short video, I'll show you how to calculate daily compound profits in Excel so you can model reinvestment strategies for affiliate earnings. First, make sure your first day has a balance like this one. My balance is 1000, and you've already calculated from day 1 all the way to day 30 like that. Now on day 2, let's input a formula which is equals the balance space an asterisk space again parenthesis 1 space plus space 0.005. I'm using this formula 0.005 because I want to have a 0.5% growth in each day. Just another close parenthesis and press enter. There you go. Now what you can do now is just drag all the way down towards day 30. There you go. Now you know how to calculate daily compound profit in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this one.